Going on right here in Southern California, just below Mount Baldy, and it's supposed to be a blizzard 10 o'clock tonight. It's already snowing, but it's supposed to be really coming down tonight at 10 to, like, I don't know, after midnight, and then 3 in the morning. It's going to come down again until about 11 in the morning. But we're going to get up and head out early. Steve has a birthday party to get ready for, his dad's birthday party. But yeah, we're here. Winter trip. It's a blizzard, supposed blizzard weather conditions, Southern California, so we're going for it. Stay tuned. There we stopped real quick. Look at that. Snow's falling off these trees. Avalanche.
That's awesome. Yeah. Quite legit. You gotta watch out for that.
Not sure if you can tell, but that's the troll bridge we're about to cross. It's got a good foot of snow on it. Steve's trying to climb up it. He's gonna do a snow angel, I think. You hitting the snow angel on your stomach because your backpack is on. You didn't think that one through.
Yeah, I thought about that.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, this is a little sketchy here. Look at this drop off. Taylor's hiking through. It doesn't look as bad on video, but that's a drop off right there. The trail is supposed to be way over here, pushed out from all the snow.
Why do I keep going first?
Because we're smarter than you.
Oh man, we didn't quite make it to Cedar Glen. We were hiking about 3 feet of snow. It's really coming down right now. That's the tarp we're gonna eat under. The trekking pole fell down. Hard to see. It's not focusing in. Here's my tent set up. Yeah, it's hard to focus because all the snow's falling in front of it, so it's focusing on that. Steve's got his tent set up there. Taylor has his tent set up there. Just cut it short of the trail. We made it like 1.5 miles. Took close to 2 hours. We were breaking trail. We don't have snowshoes. It was pretty rough. Snow's coming down pretty good. It was wet at first, wet snow, kind of sleet. And we were all wet, cold. Well, I wasn't wet, I had Gore-Tex, but the jacket soaked on the outside of my pants. My gloves were wet, so I had to take those off because they're not waterproof. Some nice gloves that kept me pretty damn warm. I get back when I go underneath the tarp because it's hard to see anything. Jeez. All right, we're in here cooking our meals. I have a lasagna with meat sauce, with cheese, with a cheese Italian style tomato sauce and beef. It's ready to go. I'm melting snow. There's my water. I'm waiting for it to boil. I'm gonna throw more snow in there. So we will have to filter. From where? Nowhere. So yeah. I'm gonna have my coffee for the morning. My gloves over here. My mitts. Those things are super warm. Steve brought us some M&Ms and some other little, what are those?
It's like Cadbury.
Cadbury.
It's like chocolate bars.
Oh man, they are so good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and the snow is coming down. Look at this. We have to keep pouring it off the top of the tarp. We're inside his little shelter tarp. Alright, got to boil. You always want to use a little bit of water. If you just pour the snow in there, it'll mess up your pot. And this is a titanium pot. And you just pour your snow in there. Let that boil some more. Pour some more snow. It might melt fast, but it sure doesn't boil very fast. And this thing's building up with snow. It's hard to see. Yeah. It's 11 o'clock. I got my chair right here, my bag, my backpack inside of a big trash bag, heavy duty trash bag, all my layers, my pants, put my fleece pants on, all my stuff's right here. hunker down. I had to shovel out my tent because it was buried. It's coming down right now, man. Yep. I'll get back to you in the morning. Going to bed. All right, it's morning time. We've been up for over an hour. Had some coffee and breakfast. Didn't really record a whole lot because it's so snowy. We're getting a little wet. Yeah, we're gonna pack up inside the tent. Look at the back side of my tent. I'm up to my knees in snow. Look at that. Crazy. Now it's all been dug out right there. So yeah, see, that's dug out. That's not. Well, I just got back about 5 minutes ago. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. That was brutal. That's Steve's car right there. That's going to be the next mission, to shovel that out. Snowplow put a big old bank right around it. They didn't have any courtesy to stop it. They don't care. They think it's funny. But hey, this wasn't the brightest idea I've ever had. That was no joke. We did not make it to camp. And this morning when we were heading out, it was pretty brutal and we couldn't find trail. And yesterday we were breaking trail. Or Steve broke most of the trail at night, and it was a good 2 feet, 3 feet in some places. And we got a good 2 feet overnight, and all of our footsteps were gone. It was brutal. So then we're like, Taylor went ahead. He's like, I'm gonna go break trail and just start because I'm cold. He comes back like 20 minutes later, could not find trail. So we start hiking, only like, I don't know, 100 feet, 200 feet. And it took us about 15 minutes to go that far. And it was brutal and we couldn't find trail. And I thought we saw a trail down below. I thought I saw it. So we all start hiking down and it's pretty steep. And then I just kind of charged a little faster just because I don't want to go slow. And they stopped. I didn't. And I was not going back up that hill because it would have taken all my energy to get back up that hill. So I just kept going. So yeah, I'm waiting for them. They did the switchbacks, trying to find them. I just went kind of straight down and over. And first 5 minutes, I'm not gonna lie, or the first like 20 minutes, 10 minutes, and I couldn't hear their voices anymore. I was like, all right. I panicked for about 5 minutes and I stopped. I said, don't panic, you know right where you are. Take it easy. Just take your breaks when you need them. Don't overdo it. And I took a 20-minute break, 10-minute break, multiple 5-minute breaks, 2-minute breaks. That was hard. Yeah, that wasn't smart. We needed snowshoes. And I don't have snowshoes because we don't usually get this. And yeah, and it's, for once, the weather people were right. I could hear them.
Bro.
How'd you like that trip?
Oh, what's up, dude?
How'd you like that?
How come you didn't dig it out?
Dude, getting over that little berm was hard, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I like...
These legs are cramping.
Yeah, I started cramp going over that thing. How'd you like that trip, huh?
That was fucking something.
Yeah.
See that guy that owned that cabin?
Yeah, that wasn't the brightest idea, huh?
What's that?
Doing this.
I mean, it is what it is.
Yeah. Hey, for once, the weather people were right.
Yeah.
For once.
Definitely,
It could be worse. That could be our car.
probably should have had
Yeah.
snowshoes.
Yeah. We got his car dug out. Hopefully it's going to work. Like the video. Leave a comment. Share it. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Definitely give it a thumbs up. We put in some hard work for this, huh? Yeah, they have the highway patrol right here, not letting anyone through. And when we came up here, I forgot to put this in the video. They said, yeah, where you guys go? We're like, Cedar Glen. It's closed. We have permits. And then they're like, okay. Then I started talking to them. And I'm like, yep, tell them. We made it, sir. We're alive. And yep, so They let us through, and then he's like, "Just go," and I'm still trying to explain to him why, like what we're doing, and he's like, "Just go. I'm getting wet." It was funny. They're cool though. Heck yeah. He's gonna have to drop a name. No, I'm just kidding. Look how low it is though. It's at the dam. I'm gonna roll this down real quick. Look, that's the dam right there. Look at that.